Welcome to part one of our English speaking practice series. Today, we will start from the basics. You will learn how to introduce yourself, greet people, and make simple sentences. Repeat after me and practice every day. Green Circle Section 1. Greetings and introductions. 50 sentences. Hello, my name is Salman. Hi, nice to meet you. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I'm doing well. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome. How is your day going? What is your name? My name is Salman. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a content creator. I make YouTube videos. Nice to see you again. Long time no see. How have you been? I have been very busy. It's a pleasure to meet you. Let me introduce myself. This is my friend. Please meet my brother. I am happy to be here. Thank you for coming. How was your weekend? It was great. What are you doing these days? I am learning English these days. I am improving my skills. Can we talk for a minute? May I ask you something? Excuse me, please. Sorry, I am late. No problem. See you later. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a good night. Goodbye. Bye. See you soon. It was nice talking to you. Let's stay in touch. Keep practicing every day. Section 2. Daily Routine Vocabulary. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up early every day. I get out of bed at 7:15 a.m. I brush my teeth at 7:20 a.m. I wash my face after brushing. I take a shower at 7:30 a.m. I get dressed at 7:45 a.m. I comb my hair. I drink a glass of water. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I drink tea in the morning. I check my phone after breakfast. I leave home at 8:30 a.m. I start my work at 9 a.m. My morning routine is simple. Sun afternoon routine sentences. I go to school at 9 a.m. I go to work every day. I attend my classes. I study English in the afternoon. I complete my homework. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I eat rice and vegetables for lunch. I drink water after lunch. I talk to my friends during break time. I finish my work at 4 p.m. I come back home in the afternoon. I take some rest after work. I help my family at home. I use my mobile for learning. My afternoon is very busy. Crescent moon evening routine sentences. I relax in the evening. I watch TV at 7 p.m. I watch YouTube videos. I read a book at night. I practice English in the evening. I spend time with my family. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I take a short walk after dinner. I check my social media. I prepare for the next day. I brush my teeth before bed. I change my clothes. I set my alarm for the morning. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I sleep at 10:30 p.m. I thank Allah before sleeping. I think about my goals. I feel happy at the end of the day. I try to sleep early. This is my daily routine. Section 3. Basic questions and answers. Practice daily. What is your name? My name is Salman. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. What is your job? I am a content creator. Are you married? No, I'm not married. Do you study English? Yes, I study English daily. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my skills. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak a little English. Do you like English? Yes, I like English very much. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and bread. When do you go to work? I go to work at 9 a.m. What do you do in the evening? I watch TV and relax. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like reading books. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like watching movies? Yes, I like watching movies. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ollie. Do you use social media? Yes, I use social media daily. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, I have a YouTube channel. What kind of videos do you make? I make English learning videos. How often do you upload videos? I upload videos twice a week. Do you enjoy making videos? Yes, I enjoy very much. What is your goal? My goal is to speak English fluently. Are you busy today? Yes, I'm a little busy. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I exercise every morning. What is the date today? Today is Monday. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Do you understand me? Yes, I understand you. Can you repeat that? Yes, please repeat. Is this your book? Yes, it is my book. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Where do you live? I live in Lahore. How is your day? My day is going well. What are you doing now? I am practicing English. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Ahmed. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What languages do you speak? I speak Urdu and English. Do you watch YouTube daily? Yes, I watch YouTube every day. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Are you happy today? Yes, I'm very happy. Do you have a mobile phone? Yes, I have a mobile phone. What is your dream? My dream is to become successful. Do you like traveling? Yes, I like traveling. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. Do you read books? Yes, I read books sometimes. Will you practice daily? Yes, I will practice daily. Section 4. Family vocabulary sentences. I love my mother. My father is very kind. I have 1 brother. I have 1 sister. My grandparents live with us. My mother cooks delicious food. My father goes to work every day. My brother plays cricket. My sister is a student. I respect my parents. Red apple food vocabulary sentences. I eat rice every day. I like fresh bread. I drink milk in the morning. Water is very important for health. I eat fruit daily. My favorite fruit is mango. I drink a glass of water. We buy bread from the market. Rice is my favorite food. Milk is good for strong bones. Artist palette colors vocabulary sentences. I have a red pen. My shirt is blue. The grass is green. The sun looks yellow. My shoes are black. I like the red color. The sky is blue. Trees are green. I have a black phone. She is wearing a yellow dress. Section 5. Practice sentences. I like apples. I have a brother and a sister. I go to school every day. I wake up early in the morning. I drink milk every day. I eat rice for lunch. I play with my friends. I read a book at night. I watch TV in the evening. I use my phone carefully. I love my family. My father is a good man. My mother cooks food. My brother helps me. My sister is very kind. I like blue color. I have a red pen. My bag is black. The book is on the table. I sit on a chair. I am learning English. I practice every day. I want to speak fluently. I am improving daily. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I can speak simple English. I try my best. I work very hard. I respect my teachers. I help my parents. I eat fruit every day. I drink water after meals. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a shower in the morning. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I feel happy today. I like to learn new words. I listen to English stories. I watch English videos. I speak slowly and clearly. I'm confident now. I believe in myself. I will become fluent soon. I have big dreams. I want to be successful. I enjoy learning English. I make small sentences daily. I never give up. I keep practicing every day. English is easy for me. Section 6. Daily conversation practice. Dialogue 1. Meeting a friend. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm fine, thank you. And you? A. I'm doing well. Where have you been? B. I was busy with my work. A. Long time no see. B. Yes, it's been a while. A. Are you free today? B. Yes, I am free in the evening. A. Let's have some tea together. B. That sounds great. Dialogue 2. Asking for directions. A. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Yes, of course. A. Where's the nearest hospital? B. Go straight and turn left. A. Is it far from here? B. No, it's just 5 minutes away. A. Thank you very much. B. You're welcome. A. Have a nice day. B. You too. Dialogue 3. Ordering food. Waiter, good evening. May I take your order? Customer. Yes, please. I would like a burger. Waiter. Would you like a drink? Customer. Yes, I would like a glass of water. Waiter. Anything else? Customer. No, that's all. Waiter. Your order will be ready soon. Customer. Thank you. Waiter. You're welcome. Customer. The food is delicious. Section 7. Tips for fluency. Speak every day for at least 5 minutes. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or YouTube videos. Don't fear mistakes. Speaking is practice. Conclusion. Practice all the above every day. In Part 2, we will learn more advanced sentences, questions, and conversations to increase your fluency.